Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing part 2 of Stranded on an Island. There'll be a part 3 if you guys like the video.
And you know it's your boy, Kobe back.
We actually found some chickens while we were gone. Crafted a pistol, crafted a vending machine, put some of our meat in it.
And dude, I have a question for your viewers.
Yeah.
If you're not subbed, what in heck are you doing with your life?
Yeah, my guy. Like, what are you doing? Alright, so let's go see the chickens. Yeah, there's a lot of them. We found a lot.
Let me see if I can pick one up. I got one. We're flying.
And yeah, we crafted a helicopter. So let's go to the helicopter and see what we've been doing. Hey, let's bring some. We should make a chicken pen. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, in our future videos, we'll do that.
Yeah, if you guys want that, just comment below and we will do that.
Comment below if you want us to make a chicken pen and name all these chickens.
Alright,
because we will do it.
Yeah, so let's go up to the helicopter. Alright, get in. Let's see if we can,
birdie.
Let's see if we can.
Oh! I'm dead. I'm dead. I think I'm dead.
Can you come over here?
Okay, I'm coming up.
Yeah, helicopters can do this in real life. Okay, people.
I'm dead. I think I'm dead. Oh, freak!
I know how to drive.
I'm dead. I think I'm dead.
Alrighty, so that's our house. Let's see if we can find anything. Yes, we did destroy the bridge. We didn't want the bridge anymore. It was just kind of worthless, you know?
It was just like, I broke the whole bridge. I got my wood back. Don't worry, guys.
Yeah, we broke our dog. Alright, so there's really nothing we can find, so I think we just gotta build that chicken pen.
Yeah. Well, I'm down.
So, how about I'll get the chickens, and we'll show you.
What? Oh, freak. We gotta get it out of the way. Okay. And Braden's good at driving, so.
Yeah, bro, I'm so good at driving, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I'm professional.
So we're gonna need to move some of this out of the way. I don't know what this chest is.
Yeah, we're gonna do the, we're gonna move the pen, but the pen's gonna be, like, over here.
Yeah, like
and yes,
right over here?
Chickens are hostile mobs, I guess, so, I feel like Fortnite should fix it to where, like, you can actually, like, make them your friend.
No, let's make the pen over here because I'm gonna make it out of wood too.
Yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. We'll just leave that there. And yeah, let's do 2 stories. Let's do 2 stories.
Yeah.
The stairs can
Remember?
be
Wood.
let's do the stairs out of the. Oh, never mind. And then like we have this, and then like the chickens to just move around. But we're never allowed to leave the door open.
Yeah. It's gonna be like.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of pistol ammo. We didn't really find any when we found it. Okay.
So we can't waste it.
These have to be like this. Alright, let's get these chickens. Come here, boy. These chickens are really hard to grab. But you just throw them down. Go. Alright guys, looks like he crashed, but we'll just finish this off by creating this chicken pen. It's gonna be one of the shorter parts. Of the video, but this is how we're gonna get our food. Alright guys, we're just gonna do some, I'm gonna go to bed, and see what happens in the morning. Absolutely. It's a beautiful day outside. See if the chickens have any eggs. No eggs. Alright. This one's dying. Alright, that's gonna be you guys if you don't give me them eggs. If you guys didn't know, shooting the chickens makes them stop. Alright guys, so that'll be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Part 3 will be soon. I don't really know. I'll be going back to Roblox content on Tuesday. So that's soon. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on notifications. Goodbye.